What I'm about to show is a part of a recent product at Kotak called Aura. Aura is a marketing automation system where campaigns are created and executed. Some of these screens are already live and being consumed, others are still work in progress. I'm showing this because this is how system behaves in the real world. Let me just implement something which works implementation in the background. Meanwhile, we can take a look at the things which we can work upon. Okay, so coming back to our design system, this is how our design system look like in Figma. The components are already encoded: layout, spacing, states, and the behavior. Take a look at this component. Let's take a look at some other component. For example, drop down. This is how our drop down look like in Figma. Take a look. This is the default state, and when clicked upon, this label shifts up. Similarly, the radio. Design decisions live here, not inside individual screen. Now let's go into Figma Make. See the same system over here with the same interaction. Nothing was new created over here. The tool is constrained by the system, not the other way around. Let's take a look at few more components. Now, this is the requirement given by the product. This is the requirement of Aura at high level. Notice what's missing. There is no layout instruction, no component choices, because system already owns these decisions. The system is already live and was production ready in the Figma. It was composed using one DLS component and the standard application shell. Take a look. Nothing here was custom or one off. Just take a look at all these screens. This is the card view, this is the view, this is the calendar view. What you have just saw is it is asking for what exactly we need to implement in this. It has some options. The strategy and everything I have already given over here. At this point, the system is ready for the next batch. I'm not running it live over on the context feeding part because the important part is already being given to the system. The context, the constraint, the structure. Go with option C only. I'll go with this choice. Home dashboard. This is a system constraint prototype. It uses the same component, same layout rules, and the same pattern as production. That is why validation can happen directly into this only within this Figma Make. Let's wait for it to implement. Let's wait few more seconds so that it implement. Meanwhile, we can take a look at the code journey, because everything is a system driven design. Intent already exists as structured data. This is the TypeScript format for each component and every modules that it is built. I'm not claiming this is a production ready code. I'm showing that translation loss has already collapsed. I'm repeating, the translation loss has already been collapsed or minimized with this. It also has our design system sits within this. Okay, it has implemented and asking for next batch to implement. Let's do a cross check what it has exactly implemented. It has implemented home dashboard. Yes, it has implemented correctly using our components which was present in the 1DLS only. Thank you.